Answering the question, what is a hotel PIP? From the hotel renovators at Amerail Systems. A PIP, or Property Improvement Plan, is a set of upgrades and renovation requirements given to a hotel owner or operator from their flag. Essentially, PIPs are there to ensure the property aligns with evolving brand standards and remains competitive. The key components of a hotel PIP are scope of work, budgeting, timeline, quality standards, and compliance. We'll take a closer look at these components in the next few slides. In your PIP, the scope of work will include specific areas of the hotel that require improvement or renovation. These areas could include guest rooms, common areas, landscaping, exterior renovations, and more. When it comes to budgeting for your PIP, remember to check what has been set aside for renovations and repairs in your CapEx budget. A vital part of a successful PIP is communication. Communicate your budget with your contractor to plan out what improvements you can fulfill. Typically, PIPs are given to hotel owners and operators with a timeline for completion. Work with your contracting team to come up with a detailed schedule for your renovations that will work around your guests. Each hotel brand has specific quality and design standards. A PIP will outline these standards to ensure brand consistency and guest satisfaction. A PIP will also address regulatory compliance, including safety codes, ADA requirements, and local building codes. Why are PIPs necessary for hotels? PIPs can help hotels in many ways, such as maintaining brand standards. Most hotels operate under a franchise or brand. These brands will provide PIPs to help hotels meet their evolving standards, including everything from aesthetics to service quality. Guest satisfaction. Improvements made through a PIP often lead to enhanced guest experiences, positive reviews, and brand loyalty. Competitive edge. The hotel industry is highly competitive. By continually upgrading and renovating, a hotel can stay ahead of the curve and offer something fresh and appealing to guests. Investment protection. A well-executed PIP can protect the owner's investment. Maintaining the property's condition and value ensures that it remains a profitable asset over the long term. The frequency of hotel PIPs can vary depending on the situation. For instance, brands require PIPs every 5 to 10 years. To know when you should expect a PIP, find out when your property was last renovated or do a quick search on whether there is a new design standard for your hotel's brand. Property age and condition can also play a role if there's a need for significant renovations. Look out for changes in market trends, customer preferences, or new competitors. These things can trigger the need for a PIP and are good indicators of what's to come. Finally, when a hotel changes ownership or management, the new stakeholders may initiate a PIP to align the property with their vision and objectives. If the new owners decide to convert the hotel, they will also need to fulfill the requirements of the new brand's latest PIP. Now that you've conquered the ins and outs of hotel PIPs, it's time to learn the keys to successfully filling one. First, conduct a thorough assessment of the property. Identify areas that need improvement or repair and prioritize them based on their impact on guest satisfaction and brand standards. For example, if you notice water damage on your exterior, this should take priority when planning your PIP fulfillment. Effective budget management is critical. Create a detailed budget that includes all costs associated with the PIP, from construction to technology upgrades. Be prepared for unexpected expenses by setting aside a contingency fund. Usually, hotels will include renovation expenses in their CapEx budgets for the year. Look for experienced professionals who have a track record of a successful PIP execution in the hospitality industry. Hiring a team experienced in PIP fulfillment can be invaluable and help to ensure that the PIP stays on schedule and within budget. Contractors who specialize in hotel renovations will have a deeper understanding of the processes, which is crucial to a successful PIP. With over 35 years of PIP experience, Amerail Systems is the top choice for hotels seeking a smooth renovation or PIP fulfillment process. Ensure that you have a clear understanding of local regulations, building codes, and permits required for the PIP. Typically, your contractor will be able to help you with this, especially one experienced in hospitality renovations. In the ever-evolving world of hospitality, a hotel property improvement plan is a crucial tool for maintaining brand standards, enhancing guest experiences, and staying competitive. By understanding the definition and significance of a hotel PIP, and by choosing the right partner, hotel owners and operators can embark on a path to success in the competitive world of hospitality. To successfully execute a PIP, partnering with experts like Amerail Systems can make all the difference. Our expertise makes it easier for hoteliers to navigate the complexities of the PIP process efficiently and effectively.